everything worked perfect. Half an hour ago, I wanted to start recording videos. What happened? My screen, my kind of like the camera started to lag on Streamlabs, and I'm like, what I'm gonna do? So I'm making this video for you, so you're not going to spend half an hour by yourself trying to fix something. First, we need to identify the issue. So unplug your 4K comlink from the camera and have camera on without it and see if the camera is lagging, okay? First thing, if it's not lagging. Second point, we need to check the Streamlabs. Therefore, you're gonna come here to Streamlabs. Okay, I'm going to come here to settings. No, first go to camera, full, and go to properties. As you can see, I got Camlink 4K here, right? Then you're gonna have the device default here, and you're gonna have the resolution, the FPS, match output FPS, and you need to align the FPS and the resolution of the camera with the Streamlabs, all right? So if this is like all good, you're gonna come here to settings where you're gonna have the video, and you don't care about the output right here. You only care about the connection. That's what matters. So base canvas resolution, output scaled resolution, down scale filter, and these things should be as I have it right now, very like it's the same comparing to my EOS M50 camera. So even if this doesn't work out, that everything's same, because it's like before it worked, right now it doesn't work. Now what helped me is like literally unplugging the Camlink 4K. Do you know that this thing, where is it? This thing, I unplugged it and plugged it back in, and after half an hour things got fixed. So that's another thing. Try to unplug it. This thing right here. Wait a second, I don't know if you can see that. Yes, you should be able to see that. So this thing, unplug it and then plug it right back in, or try a different USB port. And try these things, hope it's going to work out, but primarily identify what is the issue. Is the issue the camera? Or is the issue the connection? Or is the issue the Streamlabs? Because if the camera is good, the connection is good with the right hub, then there is maybe possibility with the resolution on Streamlabs. Does it make sense? So I know you see me right now like a lot. So yeah, that's it. Hope it helps. Goodbye.